Oh no, let's...
Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a unit that I was hesitating to, like really hesitating to do. Because this thing hasn't been touched in decades. I mean, it's an absolute mess. I mean, hope to never see something like this again. But, you know, I couldn't rent it out to a tenant being in the condition that it was. So I have to renovate it. And this is my story.
All right, this unit probably hasn't been touched since the early 70s. As you can see, it's pretty rough shape. The kitchen used to be over there, and then we're tearing that out, putting new cabinets in. Yeah. As you can see, the ceiling is all torn out. It was all drop ceiling. So that's what we're doing there. Yeah, we're definitely keeping the flooring. So, yeah.
So next we're gonna go into the bedroom. And before we do that, I do want to explain that we did go ahead and deconstruct a little before I got a chance to take this video. So stuff like the kitchen cabinets and the walls being broken down, that was all us. We started demolition and I was like, guys, I didn't take a video. That's my bad, but everything else really is kind of the way it was. I mean, it's just in rough shape.
This is the bedroom slash bathroom. You can see the bathroom over there. So, yeah, that's the bathroom. This over here would be part of the bedroom. But yeah, this unit's in real rough shape. I mean, yeah. Here's the bathroom. We'll go in there in a minute. And then it's a massive closet. Go ahead and taking that down. Don't need to be that big. I mean, take a look. It's quite massive. Probably half the size of the bedroom. This is the bathroom. You know, shower's long apart. We'll get to that, but this is the actual toilet slash restroom area. It's in shambles.
I want to take a minute here and just point something out, and I want you guys to notice how close the toilet seat and the sink is. Every time that person sat down previously, they had to hit their knees up against that cabinet.
The drywall was just done. So now let's take a look over here. They've got, this is the shower, or what's left of it, you know. So, yeah, it's a absolute mess.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that and kind of saw what I'm dealing with. I mean, it's a little ridiculous, but that being said, you know, next video, what I want to cover is, you know, the road bumps. And then I want to cover kind of what we're doing with the place. So stay tuned.